Activity: the number root 2 is shown on a number line. Steps are given to show root 3 on the number line using root 2. Fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. The point Q on the number line shows the number root 2. A line perpendicular to the number line is drawn through the point Q. Point R is at unit distance from Q on the line. Right angle triangle ORQ is obtained by drawing segment OR. Length of OQ is equal to root 2. Length of QR is equal to 1. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, length of OR square is equal to length of OQ square plus length of QR square is equal to root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, length of OR is equal to 3. Draw an arc with center O and radius OR. Mark the point of intersection of the line and the arc as C. The point C shows the number root 3.